How to integrate Facebook Pixel in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can install pixels in Shopify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, as you can see, I've just logged into my Shopify account. You need to do the same, and then it's pretty simple from there. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on your sales channels right here. Click on sales channels, and over here type in Facebook and Instagram. You can even find it right here. So just simply click on here, wait for a couple of seconds. It's going to open it up in another tab right here, and then just simply click on add application right here. What this is going to do is it's going to go ahead and install another sales channels, as you can see, which is going to be Facebook and Instagram or Meta, and then just simply click on add sales channel. It depends on you. You can even use a older Facebook account, or you can create a new Facebook account. It depends on you. I'd recommend going with an older, more established account, because then you will have more options. So as you can see right here, let's go ahead and click on start setup. We're going to go ahead and set up our new sales channel. First things first, we're going to go ahead and connect our Facebook account. Then we're going to set up business assets and terms and condition. So let's go ahead and click on connect account. It's going to open it up right here, and you're just simply going to go ahead and log into your account. As you can see, these are the two accounts that I have. As you can see right here, you can even choose a page that has already been created. I've already logged into my Facebook account. As you can see right here, I've logged into my Meta account, and now all I would have to do is just set it up. Right, you can even create a new Facebook page. It depends on you, or you can continue with an older one that's already created. So let's go ahead and select the page that we want. So over here, it does say that this account cannot be selected. It doesn't have an established presence, right, on Instagram. So of course, I don't use a lot of social media applications, so of course I'm not going to have a lot of presence. But if you have some presence, you've already started marketing, then you won't have this error. I mean, you can still use it, right? You just simply select it if you want. I think I've already connected it to another Shopify store as well. So let's go ahead and create a new page, right? Let's go ahead and click over here, and we're just simply going to go ahead and quickly set it up. You don't need to see all of this, so I'm just simply going to skip this step. If you know how to create a page, then well and good. If you don't, you can check out some other videos on the channel that I've done as well. So we're just simply going to go ahead and give it a name, category, bios, add some pictures, and we are done. All right, as you can see, we are now finished with the page. We are good to go. Now let's go ahead and continue with the video. So we're going to go back over here, and as you can see, we already have this account. We can just simply select it and click on connect, and we can go ahead and connect our ID as well. So we can select that, deselect that if you want, or we can create a new business account. It depends on you, but we're going to go with this one right here and click on continue. Let me actually make sure if I am logged into this one or this one. Okay, I'm logged into this one. We're going to click on select and click on continue. And here we go. Now, next thing, what you can do is you can manage your data sharing. It depends on you. If you go with conservative, you're going to have lower pixels. You're going to have lower data collection. So your pixel won't get enough activity. Therefore, it won't be that, efficient. If you go with enhanced, it's a little bit better. But if you go with maximum, you're going to get all the data you need. Pixels are going to have much more options and just give you a little bit more detail. It depends on you. But I'm going to click on maximum and click on save. You can even choose to not share any data if you want. But yeah, then you can create a Facebook pixel, right? So you just simply click on create new right here. We already have this website right here. We already have this page. We're going to click on confirm. We're going to accept the terms and condition, and we're going to click on submit for review. Pretty simple. Now that that's set up, let's move on and go into the testing phase of the pixels. Next, what you need to do is you need to type in business.facebook.com/settings/pixels. I recommend just typing it in, because finding these settings, it's very hectic. Like, I don't know what's wrong with Meta ever since they, combined everything into one thing. Everything's out of place. You can't find it. You go into settings, it's not there. You got to go into ad manager, and then you got to go into specific place and then select it. It's a headache. So what I would do is just, type in the /settings/pixels, and you're good to go. And over here, as you can see, we're going to select this account, And here we go. So as you can see, this is the pixel that we just created, and right now it's not active, as you can see with the red dot. So to activate it, what you'll need to do is you need to open up in Events Manager, right? So let's open it up in Events Manager. And over here, what we need to do is we need to click on test events right here. We're going to go ahead and test the pixel. And over here, just enter in the URL of the website. So we go back over here onto our Shopify store, and we just simply copy our URL, our store name.myshopify.com. We come back to Events Manager. We place our URL right here. We click on Open Website. And now we have our website. Of course, it's not created yet, so we don't really have to do anything, but we can just simply click on buttons and we are good to go. I recommend creating a website for this as well, but I'm pretty sure you would already have a website created. But right now we're just simply going to click on different buttons, just view it, and then we can go ahead and move on and see. Now it will take a couple of minutes for the event manager to recognize it, so be patient. Right? Okay, now let's go back, and over here let's go ahead and check it out. Oops, I forgot to unblock my ad blocker. Of course, remember guys, always stop your ad manager so that Pixel can actually track your website. So again, I'm just simply going to go ahead and go through this process: catalogs, content, home, example product title, whatever it is. We can open it right now, but it depends on you. If I had edited it would be nice. So now we're just simply going to go ahead and view a bunch of stuff, and now we should have some data. So let's go ahead and check it out. And over here, as you can see in test events, we have a bunch of activity. We viewed the page, viewed page, viewed page, viewed page. So as you can see, it is working. If we had added our products and created a proper website, it would have shown everything. So that way it should have worked. So as you can see, it's working right now, 100%. Now let's move on to the next step. Okay, next we need to go ahead and verify our domain. And to do that, you will have a prompt right here called verify domain. But if you don't, you can just simply go into aggregated events right here and click on configure web. And over here, you should have a primary domain, but I don't have a domain yet because for some reason, Facebook does not allow a subdomain. So as you can see, your shop name.myshopify.com is a subdomain, so it will not be registered over here. But you can also look it up as well, or you can just simply click on manage domains and you can select your domain over here or add it as well. It depends on you. So yeah. So let me just actually change my account right here to something else, and I should have some domains registered. Then I can proceed to show you what you would do next. So as you can see, for some reason these subdomains are registered. I don't know why, but it actually worked for some reason. But let's go ahead and set it up, right? So let's just say that this is the domain that we have, right? The step is going to be exactly the same, so you don't have to worry about it. When you come over here, if you have a domain registered, or if you want to register your domain or verify it, it would show up right here and you would just simply follow the next step. So don't worry about it. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to select this domain right here. We're going to click over here and we're going to click on manage events, right? Make sure that you don't change it every single time. Frequent changes may negatively affect ad delivery. So we're going to click on edit, and over here you will have 8 slots where you can fill out and choose what you want, right? So let's go ahead and click on add event, and we can add one more, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I recommend going with 6. It depends on you. So over here, you will have the highest priority and the lowest priority. So make sure you add your events accordingly to these. So just simply choose the pixel that you want, right? So you can choose any pixel you want. It depends on you. Let's go with this pixel right here. And let's say we choose an event, all right? At the final event, which is going to be the highest priority, I think it should be, adding the payment info or adding it to cart, or, buying or selling the purchase right here, purchase the item, something like that. This should be the highest one. And in between should be all the other stuff. So let's say at the highest one is adding payment info, and we'll just choose another one right here. Choose another pixel, the same one. Make sure all the pixels that you choose are the same one. Next, we'll go with purchase right here, and we'll go with next again. So this is something that I do. It depends on you if you want to, but yeah. this is how it would look like, right? You adding the payment info. I think it should be right here, and purchase should be at the top. So actually, let me do that. There you go. So first, lowest priority, someone would search is, they would either add it to their wish list or cart, or view the content, and then they would add the payment info if they want to buy it, and then they purchase it. So something like this, make sure this is in order, because this is how it is. If you want to have sales, you should have the purchase on the highest priority. It's going to show all the events of that in the proper order. Then you just simply click on apply. Yes, confirm it. Click on apply. Make sure you don't change this every single time, because then it would mess it up. And then you are good to go. And that should be it. That's how you do it. You've verified it, you've added it, you've tested it, it's gonna work. So that's how you do it. That's how you add your pixels within your Shopify store. And then you should just test it out, see if it works. And if it actually works, then you can continue on using it, configuring it to your need. So pretty simple. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And if you guys enjoyed this video or found it educational, then be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.